your guys doing on site today?
Today we're putting in a whole heating and air conditioning system and an energy recovery ventilation system.
Why work with us here at Habitat?
It's the company culture. We believe that we should give back to the community that gives so much to us.
Are you familiar with the family who is going to be moving in here?
No, we haven't met them yet.
Okay, it is a single mom with a son with a physical disability. She's in temporary housing right now. So this home means that she's going to be able to give a stable home for her son to grow up in. He's just 8 years old, so he's got a lot to do.
Everybody is volunteering their time. We're donating half the materials and all of our labor. We're going to have so many people that it's going to go fairly quickly.
Okay.
Between 20 and 30 people.
Oh, wow.
And so we can do a whole system in a matter of like 2 or 3 hours.
Well, Dan, I want to thank you so much for being here today.
Absolutely.
Big thank you from the entire Habitat for Humanity.
You bet.